should not be left to my own devices. They come with prices and vices. I end up in crisis. It was all this time.